Now, rules for changing active voice into passive voice. There are some rules for changing active voice into passive voice. See, the first one, to indicate the subject, verb and object in the given sentence. Take for example, I write a letter. I write a letter. See, this is the sentence. Here the first rule is to indicate the subject, verb and object in the given sentence. Here this is a sentence. I write a letter. Here I, it is a subject. Write, verb. A letter, object. Okay. The first rule is to indicate the subject, verb and object in the given sentence. So the first rule is fulfilled. And the second rule, an object in active voice will become subject in passive voice. The object in active voice will become subject in passive voice. See, here object is a letter. So here object, a letter. See, a object in the active voice, this is a active voice, will become subject in passive voice. So a letter now subject in passive voice. Okay, a letter is object in active voice, will become subject in passive voice. Here a letter subject. And next one, auxiliary verb or be form. Auxiliary means helping verb, okay, or supporting verb. That means here be form verbs is added before the past participle. Okay, here be form verbs. See, here it's all depends on verb form. Okay, here verb form it is in V1, right? Okay, now what are the forms? Write, it is a present tense, wrote, past tense, written, past participle. V1, V2, V3. Okay. So, what is the third rule? Auxiliary verb, be form verb is added before the past participle. So, here, write, it is present tense. For present tense, some table is there. Okay, some table is there. For present tense, be form verbs is, am, are. Here, a letter. Okay, it is third person singular. What are the third person? He, she, it. They are third person singular. Plural, they. Okay, third plural, they. Here, he, she, it, third person singular. They plural. So it here a letter means it. So here is am with I or with plural they. Here is. So here a letter is. It is a appropriate. It is an appropriate be form verb. So a letter is. Okay. Next third rule. Next fourth rule is now the fourth rule, verb must be in past participle form. Okay, verb must be in past participle form. V3. So here write, wrote, written. V3. This one. So a letter is written. Okay. Next rule is generally the preposition by, okay, used before the object in passive voice. So here we must use by, the preposition by. And next rule, well, here object will become subject, here the subject will become object. Okay, last rule is the subject will become object in passive voice. Okay, when and a subject of the active voice, when it will become object in passive voice, the subject will change. The subject will change. Here, I, when it is an object, it will become me. Okay. We, us. He, him. You, you. It, they, them. When the subject of the active voice, when it will become object in passive voice, that form is changed. Okay. Here I will become me. We, us. He, him. You, it, they, them. Here a letter. Here I will become me. I will become me. So here in active voice I write a letter. Here a letter is written by me. Okay. This is the rules for changing active voice into passive voice. Some more examples we will take. Now in assertive sentence, how to change active voice into passive voice. See, in first sentence, Sita sings songs. Okay. The first condition to indicate the subject, verb and object. Okay. Subject, verb and object. Already indicated. And object, next condition, object will become subject of the passive voice. See, songs. Okay. And here, verb in first form, V1. Okay. Verb is in first form, V1. Sing, sang, sung. So, it is V1, V2, V3. V1, V2, V3. So, here, this B form verb, next B form verb. For present tense, B form verbs is, am, are. Here songs, they are plural. So songs. Okay, are. Here are is applicable. Songs are. Next, we must use past participle. That means V3. Okay, songs are sung. Okay, next, we must use preposition by. Okay, by. And then the subject of the active voice will become object of the passive voice. Here, Sita. Okay. Suppose, if it is pronoun, suppose, if it is I or she sings songs. Here, songs are sung by she, will change in object as her. Okay, that is. And second one, they are playing cricket. Okay, the sentence is in what is continuous tense, present continuous tense. Here, subject, verb, object, and cricket. The object of this active voice will become subject of the passive voice. Cricket. Okay. Here, cricket, it is a singular. So, is. Okay. So, is, and here, continuous tense. Continuous. The B form will be is being. So, cricket is being. Okay. And here, past participle. Play. Okay. Play, played, played. So V3, played. Next preposition by. See, they. The subject of the active voice will become object of the passive voice. So they will become them. Already rules I mentioned in the rules. Okay. And Ramu made kites. Next one. Here same as subject, verb, object. Okay. Kites. Here kites are plural. Okay. Now here V3. V2, sorry. Made. It is made. What is that? Make, made, made. So this verb is in past tense. V2. So for past tense, be form verb was or were. Okay. Here kites plural. So we must use were. Kites were. Past participle V3. Make, made, made. So we must use made. Kites were made. Preposition by. Here Ramu, as it is a noun, so same as Ramu. Okay, kites were made by Ramu. And another. Ramya has completed her work. Ramya has completed her work. Here, Ramya subject has completed verb, her work object. Okay. So, object will become subject, her work. Okay. Here, has completed. This is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. What is that? In present perfect tense, already mentioned the table. Has been or have been. Has been or have been. Here, the work, her work is a singular. So, her work has been. Okay. Next, V3. Completed. So, what is V3? Complete, complete, completed, completed. So V3 completed. So has been completed. By, preposition by, and the subject will become object, Ramya. Okay, this is. And fifth one, I can solve the problem. I can solve the problem. Here, subject, verb, object. The problem here. Okay. Can. Already it's a modal auxiliaries. When modal auxiliaries comes, you must use be. Will be, shall be, or can be, would be, okay, may be, might be, must be. So here the problem can be solved. First, solved. Here V3, okay, solved. The problem can be solved by. Here, I will become, the subject will become object. I can be me. Okay. This is about in assertive sentence. Okay. In assertive sentence, how to change active voice into passive voice. This is about in assertive sentence. Okay. And next, in interrogative sentence, how can we change? Next topic. In interrogative sentence, how to change active voice into passive voice. Okay. See, interrogative sentence, here two types. Okay. One, WH questions or direct questions or yes or no questions. Okay. in WH questions, starting with W, what, when, where, why, who, how, these are all WH questions. And yes or no questions, it is starting with auxiliaries. Okay, are you okay? Are you going? Can I help you? These are all yes or no questions. Okay, will you do? These are all yes or no questions. Here, interactive sentence, direct questions. Okay, who wrote the novel? Who wrote the novel? Here, in this is active voice. Who wrote the novel? It is active voice. When we change into passive voice, whenever it comes whom, who, in passive voice, by whom, this in passive voice, this sentence starts with by whom. Okay, in passive voice, the sentence starts with by whom, and who will become by whom. And wrote, this is V2. Okay, write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. V1, V2, V3. So here wrote, here V2. So that B form verb, V2 B form verb is here was or were. But here the novel, that is singular, only one novel, the novel. So here was, by whom was. Next, what is that? Object. Here, the novel. Who wrote the novel? This is the object. So here, the novel. This is the object. By whom was the novel here written? V3. Okay. For normal sentence, subject, verb, object. But here is different. Verb first, by whom, and was be form verb, and then the subject, and then what is that? V3. This is the form in passive voice. And another example. The same. Who can advise you? The same. Who. So you must use by whom. And can. By whom can. By whom can. And you. The subject will become object. By whom can you. Can, for be for verb, can be, will be, would be, should be. Okay. So can is be form verb, can be. By whom can you be advised? Advise, three forms. Advise, advised, advised. So we past participle V3. Advised. So by whom can you be advised? And next, why do you help him? Why do you help him? This is also direct question. Why? Why? For only for whom, who will become by whom. That's all. Other, what, when, where, the direct questions will be arranged. Why? Why? And do you help him? See, why do you help him? Do. Do help. Do help means what? V1. So V1 is here. What is the B form verbs? Is, am, are. Okay. But what is that? Why do you help him? Here, him. Third person, singular. Third person, singular. So here is. Why is? Him. This is the object, no? When it becomes subject, him transform into he. So why is he? Why is he? Help. See, help, helped, helped. So we must use V3, past participle. Okay, so V3. Why is he helped? The preposition by. Okay, and next you. Here the subject. The subject will become object. Why? Okay, so why is he helped by him, by you? Okay, this is. And here fourth one, yes or no question. These are all direct questions. As he invited you. As he invited you. So this is how can you make it this yes or no questions? How can you know? Has he invited you? What do you say? If yes, if okay, yes or no. Okay, has he invited you? If he invited you, you can say yes. If he didn't invite you, you can say no. Has he invited you? So here, how to change? This is in active voice. Passive voice, you. Okay, this is subject, object noun. So object will become, you is object. Here you. So for you, have form. No has. Only has, he, she, it. Only third person singular takes has. Okay. Otherwise have. So question, have. You. Okay. What is this? The subject will become subject. Have you. See. In the present perfect tense. Which tense is this? Present perfect tense. Okay. Then we must use been. Be form verb, been. Any perfect tense, present perfect tense or past perfect tense, you must use helping verb been. So, have you been invited? Invited. Third person, invite, invited, invited. So, here, have you been invited? The preposition by and he, the subject, will become object, him. Okay. So, this is